Alright, so something concerning just happened with Dad's bike. So I was going along, and then all of a sudden I realized he wasn't behind me anymore. So I stopped, and I could see him back there. He's like slowly making his way to me in the exit, or the emergency lane. He got up there and he said it wouldn't take fuel. So we turned it off, looked at it a little bit, contemplated fuel filters and, you know, clogged fuel lines and things like that. Restarted it, and so far it seems fine. That's about, I mean, it seems to be running good now. He's running it up 87, 88 miles an hour. That's all we need, is for one of them to break down in the middle of South Dakota. Well, he's giving me the sign, but I mean, he's just running 90, so it must be doing okay. Well, it acted fine there for a minute or two, and I'm assuming there's a reason he's going slow. I don't, because we're only going about 65 now. Let's stop at this scenic overlook. We're not doing shit with no services and no shade, I can tell you that. Today it is too hot to be doing any kind of mechanicking. It's not running right. It run good for a minute or two, and then he said it's just like if he tries to give it fuel, it don't want to take it and starts bogging down. You know, and the bike is 20 years old. To elaborate on my plan, it's, you know, seems to be running pretty decent. Well, it was running better than it seems to be right now. But I'm kind of thinking maybe we get somewhere and get some fuel treatment. See if that'll help it any. It's just weird that it happened like right after we got gas. I don't know, but I'm kind of thinking maybe we try the fuel treatment thing just to see if we can get it opened up some, if that's what it is. I would have thought it would have picked up here where it's flat. Doesn't seem to be though.
Alright, I just want to give you guys a quick summary of what else happened that day, because I really didn't record much. We did stop by Wild Drug, because you have to when you're going through South Dakota. Why would you not? But we stopped there. We made a plan. We got some fuel treatment. That really did not help it much. We stopped at a dealership, checked to see, you know, if they had parts. No luck there. Then we came up with a different plan. I'll tell you about that later. But we went on up to Deadwood, South Dakota, stayed the night, had some fun at the casinos, did some drinking, had some good dinner, all that kind of good stuff. Then we'll pick the action back up the next day.
Alright, little MotoTellers, here's the deal. As I told you, the motorcycle was dying yesterday, and it's gotten significantly worse. We stopped at a dealership, Suzuki Triumph place in Rapid City, to see if maybe they had the filter, hoping it was just the filter. They didn't have the filter, so then they thought, well, okay, well, maybe they got the whole pump, maybe they have the whole fuel pump. They don't have the whole fuel pump. Actually got to looking, they have a Triumph 850 Tiger Sport that Dad actually likes. So I think the plan is to trade to that, which is all well and good, great, you know, problem solved, except it has no luggage on it. You know, it has no panniers, it has no top box, it has no nothing. Plus we're about to get fucking run over by 18-wheelers. Because we're trying to get back to the dealership, and about all it'll muster is about 60 miles an hour. Which I know you're saying, oh, 60 miles an hour, that's not too bad. Yeah, well, the speed limit's 75. So, we are definitely causing issues. So, and this is actually faster than we were going. We had to go up a hill, we got down to about 40. I was about ready to start pushing. So, we're going to go to the dealership, hopefully get that deal done, figure out how the hell to get all of his stuff over on mine. We're getting past my motorcycles too. My life sucks. This is an annoying ride right here. So at this point, I'm just hoping the bike gets to the dealership. Okay, as you can tell, we have abandoned the interstate because that was getting sketchy. We were barely maintaining about 50 miles an hour, and there was a hill coming up, and people were coming at us at 75 and 80 miles an hour. I decided to pull the plug on that. But yeah, the Vstrom went from kind of a limp to she is full on a gimp now. she got no legs left. Alright, so we're on this road at the suggestion of the finance lady at the dealership. She said it was a really good road, and I thought that would be much more fitting for Dad's first ride on his new bike as opposed to going up a stupid interstate. Hey, listen to me. Most of the time he don't listen. Keep it up there, we could have passed these people. I really hope he likes this bike. If not, I'll never hit the end of it. Coming into the big town, Nemo, South Dakota. Look, I got a really good joke for this, y'all. Just wait for it. Guess what? Right now we're looking for Nemo. Oh look, we found Nemo. I told you it'd be good. It was worth waiting for. All right, we are getting on the right one. That's the road she told me. Vanocker Canyon Road. Vanocker. Thank you to the lady at the dealership, not only for helping us out getting the deal all done and paperwork and that kind of thing, but for recommending this road, because she said it was very good and very pretty. And that is the point now that we've got the new bike, is to get back to riding. And this does run us straight into Sturgis. So Main Street in Sturgis. Pretty cute. It's like you went to motorcycle stuff heaven.
Alright, so Sturgis, South Dakota is one of the places that Dad really wanted to stop. So we did. We stopped, had lunch, took a couple pictures, and then got out of Dodge. Thanks for watching, though. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff, because every time you do, it gets us one step closer to being able to do the next cool thing. Thanks for watching.